So guys, for the first step, you're going to head it with search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now under this, you're going to click on advanced options. And now you're going to scroll down and then click on delivery optimization. It's now going to be saying allow downloads from other PCs. You're going to turn this off. So you're going to turn this off. And now for the second step, on the left hand side, you're going to click on network and internet. And then once you're on this, it's going to be saying either Ethernet or Wi-Fi for you. No matter which one it says, you're going to click on this. And now next to metered connection, you're going to turn this on. So you're going to turn on metered connection. And now for the next step, you're going to head it with search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then once you're on this, make sure you have obtain an IP address automatically selected. And now under it, you want to select use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888 and you want to make the second line 8844 and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in netsh space int space tcp space set space global space auto tuning level equals disabled. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter again. And now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.